In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GoDaddy username in just 5 minutes. Changing your username can be necessary for various reasons, such as improving security or simply updating it for a fresh start. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth and hassle-free experience. To begin, we need to head over to GoDaddy's website. You can do this by opening your web browser and performing a quick Google search for GoDaddy. Once you're directed to their homepage, it's time to log into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll find the Sign In option. Give it a click and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have these details on hand as you'll need to access your account smoothly. Once logged in, direct your attention again to the top right corner. Here, you'll see your initials, representing your account. Click on your initials, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various aspects of your GoDaddy account. Next, navigate through the settings until you find an option labeled Login and PIN. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can modify your username, an important part of your account information. Now, under the Login Info section, there's an Edit button. Click on it, and you'll be able to type in your new desired username. Make sure it's something unique yet memorable for you, and stay away from using any sensitive information or easily guessable terms for your security. After you've entered the new username, don't forget to hit Save. This final step is crucial as it ensures all your changes are securely updated and stored within your account settings. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully changed your GoDaddy username. By keeping your account details up to date, you're enhancing both your account's security and ease of access. Should you encounter any issues or require further assistance during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to GoDaddy's customer support. They're available to help and ensure your account management is as seamless as possible. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.